Hey guys, it's me Shraddha and welcome back to Timeline and History. Now guys, while I try to research daily for our daily episodes in Timeline and History, there is not a single day where I don't find a record from the pages of history, or I can say there are not one or two events, but there are many events which are occurred either in the same year or in different years. So sometimes it gets really difficult, or I get really confused to choose what topic needs to be selected or highlighted for today's date. But some events are like which are in continuation, that this happened on this date and in continuation to that this thing happened again. So today we have such significances which are the continuation of what I have told you previously in previous topics. So 8th December is generally the continuation of what we have already had before. So if you guys remember and if you guys have watched, on 4th December I told you the significance of Indian Naval Day, that why is it actually celebrated and what was the specific reason behind choosing that date for Naval Day celebration. So as I told you that day, that Naval Day celebration is specifically done in the memory of Operation Trident. Now if you have not watched the Operation Trident episode, please watch. It is 4th December, which I have launched on my YouTube channel, that is Timeline and History. So in continuation to that, after few days of Operation Trident, it was observed that the Pakistani warships were mingling with the merchant ships around the Indian seas or the Indian borders, and to stop this or to counteract on this, next operation was performed against Pakistan's same Karachi port on 8th December in the same year, that is 1971, during the Indo-Pak War, that was Operation Python. So in today's episode we are going to see how this Operation Python was conducted. On the night of 8th December at 10 p.m. Pakistani Standard Time, a small strike group consisting of a missile boat INS Vinash, which constituted 4 missiles in it, 2 multi-purpose frigates, that is INS Trishul and INS Talwar, started approaching towards the southern port of Karachi. In the book Transition to Triumph, which is written by official historian Admiral Navy officer Hiranandani, he mentions that while this operation was taking place, the Indian ships or Indian boats were detected on a radar. As soon as the detection was done, Pakistani warships started moving towards the 3 Indian ships. And as soon as the alert was detected by INS Vinash struck 4 of its missiles towards Pakistani port. Now as soon as the 4 missiles were struck by INS Vinash, they had to go in 4 different directions. So the first missile struck at the Kamari fuel tank, the second at the Panamanian fuel tank vessel which sunk, third and fourth missile struck the Pakistan Naval Fleet at PNS Dhaka and SS Hamilton, which was given to Pakistan Army by British. Now these 2 again sunk. The PNS Dhaka was destroyed or damaged beyond repair. So this was the devastation caused by 4 missiles struck by INS Vinash. And the other 2 ships which were carried along with INS Vinash, that is INS Talwar and INS Trishul, were not brought to use because the enough damage was made to Pakistan during this war. Later on, as soon as this missiles were struck, the damage was done. The 3 Indian ships came back to the nearest Indian port. This was the first significance of 8th December. Today's second significance comes in continuation to what I have told on 7th December. The Pearl Harbor assault. So if you have missed or if you have not watched yesterday's Timeline and History episode, please go and watch. I have mentioned the entire incident of Pearl Harbor. So in continuation to that, on 8th December, obviously after such a strike against United States by Japan, United States was obviously not going to stay quiet. I don't think any country would stay quiet, right, after such a huge loss. On 8th December, United States President Franklin Roosevelt, while his press conference, declared that December 7 will always live in infamy. Now, when we say infamy, it means a notorious act which is performed. So, this day will always remain in infamy for United States, and this was the date, that is 8th December in the same year when America declared war on Japan. Now, this was the second significance of 8th December. So, those were today's both the significances in continuation to what we had heard before. To avoid letting you know incomplete stories or to make you know the completion of both the incidents, I purposely chose these two pages or two significances from the history. Now let's move to our fun section. So 8th December is internationally celebrated as Brownie Day. Now I feel this fun section is meant for give you food cravings, to give you different food cravings. I am being telling you daily what is the speciality of that day, and every day I try to find I get something which is related to food, either to sweet or something else. So today's day is celebrated as International Brownie Day. Enjoy your day. Let me know what you think about the fun section in comment box. Also, I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. See you tomorrow with more exciting facts and more significances from the pages of history. Until then, take care and bye-bye.